From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Happy Valley. I'm student meteorologist Madeline Zarkoski with your Wednesday morning forecast. And I am very excited today because I have my entire group here with me. We're all celebrating our last shift together as a group by doing your winter forecast together. Right now we have a live look at the Beaver Stadium. The sunrise is just starting to come up. There's a few clouds in the sky, but it's also still pretty chilly out there, sitting at 28 degrees currently. Our dew point's 21, so it's not too humid out there, and we still have a pretty good visibility, 10 miles. Luckily, we don't have too much wind to factor in right now, so our temperature isn't too much different than our feels-like temperature. If we're looking at the temperatures from our region, like I said, 28 in State College, slightly cooler, 25 in Du Bois, and a little bit warmer, 33 down here in Harrisburg. Now if we take a broader look at the state, slightly cooler up here in the northwest, 26 in Erie, 18 in Franklin, 21 in Bradford. You're definitely going to want to wear your jacket out this morning. Now if we take a look at our feels-like temperatures, like I said, it's not too different from our actual temperature here in State College, 28 degrees. But it's slightly cooler up in here, 17 in Du Bois, 18 in Johnstown, and still 33 in Philadelphia. Now over to Brian with your current radar and satellite.
Thanks, Madeline. Penn State student meteorologist Brian Michigan here to take a look at your radar and satellite throughout Pennsylvania. Now, as you can see behind me, we have some snow shower activity off towards the east. Not really accumulating all that much out there, but it's probably coming down into some flurries. That's something to look out for as you step outside the door today. Other than that, not a whole lot going on out west, just some clouds looming overhead, maybe some clearing as you head towards Bradford and Franklin off towards the northwestern portions of the Commonwealth. As we expand outward, you can see this coastal system that's developing, sending some rain off towards Raleigh, North Carolina, and a big swath of snow and some flurries from Kentucky all the way northward to upstate New York. It's going to be affecting much of us here on the East Coast today. Behind that, some lake effect snow showers that will be the predominant threat as we head throughout the day today and even into tomorrow. Now, some of the future weather that we can expect towards the next couple of days. As we move through today, this coastal system strengthens offshore, and as it pushes north and eastward, the snow showers remain here in Pennsylvania and coastal areas like New Jersey upwards to Massachusetts. You could see some rain showers and maybe some pretty strong winds as you head out there today. Now, as we move it further in time, you have a weak system that's moving through the Great Lakes region, bringing still some lake effect precipitation for northwestern parts of Pennsylvania. And as we look eastward, a real pig of a storm off towards Canada. You definitely wouldn't want to be on a boat ride out there right now, especially because it is quite cold up there this time of the year. And as we expand it a little bit further, our next big weather system will be approaching for this weekend here in Pennsylvania. Big low pressure system off to our west. Wisconsin's probably going to be getting into some higher accumulations of snow, but for us here in Pennsylvania, looks to be all rain for now. I'm going to send it over to Kevin Abbott with some future weather for us here in Pennsylvania.
Thanks, Brian. Now looking closer to home at the future weather, we'll see those snow showers as they move across the eastern parts of the state, and not really expecting much of this to hit the ground, maybe a few flurries, maybe a spotty coating or two, but we'll be cold throughout the day and cloudy. Eventually, overnight tonight, we'll start to clear out. Some lake effect snow still going on in the northwest parts of the state and some clouds out to our west. But the eastern parts of the state looks to have a clear night overnight. And then those clouds will continue, and we'll start to see some winds come out of the south and some clouds move out of the south as we'll have start off with some mostly cloudy skies around here locally tomorrow. And now I'll shift it off to Cade for the two-day forecast for State College.
Thank you, Kevin. For today, it will be a high of 34 with a chance of flurries, slight southwest wind from 5 to 7 miles per hour. For tonight, it will be a low of 23, overcast skies. The wind will relax. And for tomorrow, it will be a high of 33, mostly cloudy skies with calm winds. And now here is Dana for your 7-day forecast.
Thanks so much, Cade. And if we take a look at our 7-day forecast for what's going to be on during this forecast period, we have our chance of flurries today with mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. There is a chance of a system on Friday that will bring us some mixed precipitation in the morning and turning to rain by the afternoon. Saturday, we have an unusually high temperature with a high of 58, which is definitely much warmer than we're used to for this time of year. with rain during the day as well. And the sunshine returns for the end of the weekend and the beginning of the work week next week. From all of us here at the Wednesday Morning Communications Shift, I hope you have a wonderful holiday.